up here at Whitewater Preserve, hiking to Red Dome. It's only a 2-mile hike one way, but I don't have a lot of time. Just met a fellow YouTuber, Lewis from Black Mountainside. Pretty cool dude. Check out his channel. We're crossing the Whitewater River for the first time. It's actually flowing pretty good. Yeah, we're still on our way to Red Dome. Just a little over a half mile into the trail. It's a little warm, but it's a lot better than the wind that was here yesterday. But yeah. Susan and I are up here doing some gear review. Some gear that we just got. The breeze feels so good. Oh look, we have ourselves a little lizard. Yeah, Red Dome is, it's only a 2-mile hike, and it's pretty easy. It's on our way to Mission Creek. We're fishing on the PCT right now. But it's a nice little hike. Red Dome is right up there. We have a very large western whiptail lizard right there staring me down. He's probably only about 9 inches, but that's pretty big. Okay, we've got a Red Dome in sight. It's not much, but it's a nice little easy hike. And you can bring the family. Just make sure you bring a lot of water. Okay, we've officially made it to Red Dome. 2-mile hike. It's a nice family hike. It's only 2 miles. This is the official Red Dome over here. We'll walk over and take a look at it. That's Red Dome right there. Okay guys, this is Red Dome. Like I said, it's a 2-mile hike. It's not that bad. PCT goes across the river there. And up that canyon over there, up to that ridge, then down into Mission Creek, and the PCT heads up off that way. San Gorgonio is up that way. Come over to check out the water. Water's really clear. Okay, we're officially heading back down from Red Dome. I'm also doing a radio test for Susan and I's new radios. I'm a little over 2 miles away, and we're still getting excellent reception. To the Whitewater River. The preserve is only a half mile back from here. Looks like we might have some storm clouds coming in. Bear for rain. Haven't seen any bighorn yet. They'd be up on that ridge up there.